This is the nicest Newmar King Aire I have ever seen. This weekend we're hanging out at Charlotte Motor Speedway doing some filming with Newmar on some of their Essex products, but when I saw this coach was on site here, I had to get you guys a quick tour. The rain slowed down for a few minutes, so I wanted to come outside here and show you guys this paint job. So, you know, up front here, this is a level of detail that you just do not see. And I love all of the different shades of blue. You can see there's a slight fade from the silver into the blue here in so many different colors, and such a cool, aggressive paint job. And these coaches are stacked in here pretty tight at the NASCAR race, but you'll definitely catch attention if you're rolling around in this. You can see it's more straight lines, not as many swoops and swirls. And then we've got a really cool pattern in here. This is gonna have, you know, all the push button bay doors. You'll notice the stainless down the sides of the coach, and you know, so many little drop shadows and details. Like, this is what we refer to as a drop shadow, where it gives it effect, and there's a small drop shadow on the top, but it gives it an effect like that stripe is kind of popping off of the paint. And then you can notice here, you know, another drop shadow, lots of little fades and detail work. Now this is on the Spartan K3 chassis. It's got a 20,000 pound towing capacity, the Cummins X15 with 605 horsepower, and a really cool paint design. If you're rolling up behind this coach on the interstate, it's definitely gonna catch your attention. And I like to point out too, even the grille that the King Aire uses here has a very cool design to it. This is definitely one of my favorite King Aire paint jobs I've ever seen, but let's go back inside and keep taking a look around this coach. Now, I noticed one thing when we came into this coach that I really appreciate. I think the engineers at Newmar are watching these videos and listening to your guys' feedback. So we appreciate all the comments you guys are leaving and, you know, little improvements that can be made. Newmar's definitely paying attention, and we're seeing a lot of cool little changes. But up front here, we've got some of our shoes in the entryway here, but I just want to show you have one button to turn your ceiling lights on or to turn all of the lights off. Just super easy when you're coming in and out of the coach. Now we also do have these different touch panels around the coach, and this is going to have the theater seating, which is extremely comfortable. We've got the large armrest storage area here, but we can go to this touch panel right here and just hit the button for the TV lift up. And right now we've got the captain's chair spun around, so a lot of living area here. And I love these floors. Now these are heated floors. They have that kind of matte finish. I know a lot of you pet owners out there really appreciate this over the more high gloss floors. And there's no carpet in this coach. There's gonna be heated floors below the dinette area. And you can see as this TV lift comes up, you can't even hear it. It's almost silent. We've got outlets and USB ports behind the sofa. Now this will fold out into a sleeper if you need. This cabinet color is called Sedona. I believe 2025 was the first year for that, and gives it a really nice warm feel. It definitely is not too sterile, even though we have this ultra modern design with the really cool ceiling and all the cool touches they do in the King Aire. The blend of these cabinets and these floors gives it a really, you know, high-end homey feel. And then the King Aire is going to have this massive sink here. You can almost wash a dog or a baby in that. You've got these sink covers as well, so when you're not using that, you've got extra countertop space. We're gonna have a good amount of storage, and when we open this up, you can see the face of the drawer matches the cabinets. Now it's more of a matte, where we've got more of a gloss on the cabinets, but really gives it that finished out look. And then here you can see, looks like that Starlink router. That Starlink is gonna be standard on all the brand new King Aires. And this is one really cool thing I like that Newmar does. You just press that button, it's gonna pop this door up to give you access to that Viking microwave. And then when you're done using it, you just press the button and that's gonna fold down, keep it out of sight, out of mind, and then it gives you that really nice clean look. Now, if for some reason you forgot about that button and you just wanted to manually open, you can do it both ways. Then here we've got the Wolf induction cooktop with the cooktop covers that match the countertops also. Then we've got a large silverware drawer with the silverware dividers. You can see that King Aire logo stamped on the inside of the drawer. And then below that, we're gonna have the Fisher Paykel dishwasher. And this part of the coach is where it gets really exciting. This is a floor plan we've never seen before. So I know a lot of you like your wine, your coffee. So over here we have these glass faces of these doors if you want to have something that is more on display, maybe some, bottles. And then here we have a perfect area for a coffee maker, whether you have a Keurig or an espresso machine. There's a little pop-up outlet there so you can plug that in, and then plenty of room. And then directly below that is going to be your wine glass cooler. You've actually got two wine coolers here, so you can set those at different temperatures if you've got whites and reds and want to keep those climate controlled. And then we've got the Viking refrigerator as well. So in the King Aire, they're going to stick with Viking appliances. You see, Viking refrigerator, your Viking microwave convection oven. Now, I think this is the first time I've seen a butler pantry in a motorhome, and what a cool use of space here. So you almost have this private little room right here. I can easily walk in here. This is such a cool, unique, versatile space, and it's got this more gloss white cabinetry. But what's cool about this is we can actually push these back, and then you're gonna have a lot more countertop space, and then we have large storage up top as well. And I could see someone maybe using this as like an office setup if you wanted to have a chair put up in here and maybe a computer monitor, your laptop, and then have a little workspace, or even large storage if someone wanted to store a bunch of golf clubs. Just a really versatile use of space, but all really high-end finishes. Whenever you're not using it, you can just section that off, close that pocket door. That's out of sight, out of mind. Now, all the new King Aires are going to be bath and a half floor plan. So this has this super nice half bathroom with this kind of swiveling pocket door. And then we've got the backlit mirror here, like a hammered copper sink. So many little touches, like this indirect lighting around the valances here, and more indirect lighting above the crown molding. Newmar just does such a great job with their lighting. You can see in the slide room face here. And then I really like this linear lighting that they started using a few years ago. Just gives it that more modern, contemporary feel. Now, if you do want to section off the rear bedroom, you have these sliding pocket doors with that nice inlay that gives it a real high-end look. And then coming back into the rear suite, this has a really nice feel with a king-size bed. You're gonna have wireless charging on both sides of the bed, as well as these chic sconce lights. And you can see even that solid surface continues up the slide room face here. And we do have a little bit of cabinets above the bed, which is going to give you a little bit of storage, but still lots of window space. And you'll notice, again, no carpets on the slide room. We've got a fireplace here. I really like that linear lighting. And then we've got that fixed Samsung TV with storage on both sides. Really a nice open feel here in the rear suite. Now, this rear bathroom is really bright here. We've got all the backlit mirrors. We've got this large trough style sink with a hammered copper look to it. Really like the cream colored cabinets. They kind of break it up a little bit from what we saw with the Sedona out there. And then we've got a closet with a downlit hanging bar, and then adjustable shelving, and some good drawer space below that. And then in the shower, we've got a hidden drain, really nice tile work. It does have the grab handle, as well as a couple hanging bars here for your towels. We've got multiple shower heads. And then behind the toilet is gonna be the emergency egress door. And then there's gonna be another closet here with a safe hidden in the back corner, more storage below. And then there's even a little flip down right here, maybe a spot to store some toilet paper or some tank treatment. And then of course our stackable Samsung washer and dryer. And then they do have a little bit of storage below for laundry detergents and whatnot. Ryan, we really appreciate the opportunity to see this beautiful 26 King Aire. Now, do you know what the MSRP is on this coach?
Yeah, there's some extras in this one. So this one comes in at about 1.89 on MSRP.
And I know the Artisan Series paint job is a huge option. I think that's about $100,000 option.
That's correct, yes sir.
Now this is a 2026, but we were talking off camera earlier, and for 2027, Newmar is going to be adding some new stuff, kind of other than the product, to the King Aire line?
Yeah, that's correct. So a few new things on the product. I'll start there, and then we can get into that experience. But you've got things like the remote dump for the tank. You've got the 360 recording, right? So not only, what a dash cam would get, but literally all the way around the coach. There's an optional bidet in the bathroom. People really like that, having that bidet seat option. You're big on the fuel capacity on the King Air.
Yes, sir.
We're listening, so we're at 175 gallon fuel capacity in the 27s. That's new. And then we also have a new bunk floor plan. So it's actually a rear bunk. So you have both the traditional, kind of bunks on the side just past the galley here, as well as bunks in the back if that's something that folks are interested in.
I know a lot of families out there, especially with younger children, really like to have the kids close, really like that floor plan.
Yeah, it's actually new for us this year, and it came from just talking with folks that travel with kids. They really like the bunk floor plan, but for some folks, they wanted to, if they have younger kids, they want those kids to be able to sleep in the back, maybe take a nap while they're still hanging out in the front of the coach, using the half bath and not waking up the kids. And so that's kind of how we arrived at that floor plan, and we've gotten really positive feedback on it so far.
I know you guys are always thinking of new stuff, and we're even talking off camera. We're shooting ideas of different ways. I keep talking about a mid-entry coach. We saw that dual entry. Maybe we'll see a mid-entry sometime, or
could be coming. We'll see.
You also mentioned for the ownership experience, you're adding a few things for the 27 King Airs.
Yeah, that's right. This is our flagship product. This is the top of the line, the King Air, and we said we wanted that whole experience to kind of match the product, and so we're elevating some things outside of just the coach itself. So, for example, anybody that gets a new 27 or newer King Air, you're going to get a call from Casey or somebody on the executive team. We want to personally welcome you to the Newmar family, right? And thank you for choosing us. We're going to document the whole build process. So some folks have been to the factory. They love to take our factory tour, but they also want to see how their specific coach is being made, just not how we construct them in general. And so we're going to document that process, put all that into a book. We've got some little stories throughout that of who's actually building your coach, what's their story, how long have they been with Newmar, why do they like working here, that type of thing. And then there's some other features as well. So we're going to have an extended service plan on those products. So it's basically adding another year after your 1-year warranty. You'll have a second year with the extended service plan.
So a 2-year factory warranty then?
It's effectively, that's what it ends up being, yeah. And then there's also some roadside assistance that we're adding in there. There's some other, welcome gifts, some Magna shades that you can get on the front, and other things like that, just to really make sure you've got all your bases covered as you step into that new product. We always had that factory pickup option where you can come to us, you can stay in our campground right across from the service center. Our techs will walk you through 2-3 days as long as you need to feel like you understand how to do everything on the coach. So we're taking that show on the road. If you want to pick up at your dealer, we'll send a Newmar service account manager there to actually help with that walkthrough along with one of our dealer partners, or we'll come to a resort or to your house. If you say, you bring it all to me, we can do that as well. So we just wanted to really make it a frictionless process and something that you're excited about the product, but how do we just make the rest of the experience level up to what the product is?
Yeah, you guys are always raising the bar. Every time we see you, you're thinking of new stuff. So I think a lot of folks out there will really appreciate that more, detailed delivery process and that extra attention. Now, this particular coach, this is a 26. What is your current, inventory of King Airs around the country, and is this coach available?
Yeah, this coach is available. This particular coach is owned by Campers Inn, but you can go see all of our inventory, including this coach, if you go to newmarcorp.com. You can look up a dealer and you can look up our inventory on there. So you'll be able to see across the country where all the King Airs are at, different floor plans and which dealers carry them, and connect to them directly. If you want to go check a coach out, you can also always reach out to us if there's some questions you have, or you think you might want one of those 27s and you want to design it all yourself. We've got folks in Napanee that can help walk you through that process. So we're building them now, and they're going to be hitting dealer lots here in the next month or so. So end of May as we get into June, those will be out on the dealer lots.
Well, this is a super clean 26 here, really cool coach. So if someone's looking for a deal, maybe they can get a hold of Campers Inn and work numbers. If the new 27s are coming out soon, maybe there's a deal to be had on this one.
I'm sure they'd love to talk, absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Ryan, really appreciate your time today and the team at Newmar. We're going to be doing some other videos on the Essex line. Definitely worth checking those out.
Appreciate you guys being here. It's always a good time to hang out and be able to look at coaches and have the feedback, right? Because you get to talk to a lot of people, and so we always value just understanding what people are looking for, what we can do to continue to raise the bar for our customers, and appreciate the partnership we have.
Yeah, really appreciate the opportunity, and also appreciate all of you out there liking, sharing, and following. We hope you're all having a great day.
Thanks, everybody.